Do you think you need a big backyard to have a garden? Think again. Apartment gardening is not only possible but also incredibly rewarding. It offers fresh produce, air purification, and a delightful hobby. Get ready to turn your small apartment into a lush green haven. Starting an apartment garden begins with choosing the right plants. Consider factors such as light needs, size, and care requirements. Look to herbs, succulents, and indoor veggies as apartment-friendly options. Remember, the right plant choice can make your apartment garden thrive. Now that you've picked your plants, it's time to set up your garden. Start by identifying the best spots in your apartment, like windowsills, balconies, or even vertical spaces. Next, gather your tools, pots for your plants, quality soil, and a watering can. When it comes to planting, remember to carefully place seeds or transplants in the soil, ensuring they're not too deep or too shallow. With the right setup, your indoor garden will flourish. With your garden set up, you're ready to watch your plants grow. Gardening doesn't end with planting. Regular maintenance is key. Watering, for instance, should be regular but never excessive. And remember, sunlight is a plant's best friend. Ensure your green buddies get their daily dose of sunshine. Periodic fertilizing also helps, providing essential nutrients for growth. Keep an eye out for signs of health and distress. Vibrant leaves indicate vitality, while wilting suggests trouble. Lastly, be vigilant against common pests. With consistent care, your apartment garden will remain lush and thriving. Gardening in an apartment is not just possible, but also rewarding. Just remember the steps we've covered: selecting the right plants, setting up your garden, and maintaining it. There's nothing quite like the joy and satisfaction of nurturing your own green oasis, no matter how small. It's a journey of discovery and growth, quite literally. So why wait? Start your apartment garden today and share your progress with us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.